My name is Robert Krout, and I've been a practicing music therapist since 1980, but like many music therapists have come to the ukulele fairly recently. Now, ukulele is popular worldwide and with all age ranges, but the music therapist often has had only limited training, if any, in the ukulele. And notice I pronounce it ukulele, which would be the Hawaiian way to pronounce it. So the purpose of this tutorial, it's labeled as a boot camp, and it's really to get you a foundational basis for your further ukulele growth. Now, we're going to be looking at this in 5 different parts. First, I'm going to briefly look at the ukulele culturally and historically. Where did it come from in the late 1800s and how it got to where it is today? Then second, we're going to look at the different sizes and options of ukuleles, including tuning options, both low G, which this is, and then also high G or reentrant tuning. Now third, we're really going to look carefully at ukulele chords and how they are formed, often as inversions, and how they relate to the guitar with which the music therapist is already familiar. So, number 4, we're going to look at chords and really try to get you a broader chord vocabulary with different fingerings and different voicings of chords to get you started there. And then finally, number 5, we're going to look at strumming and right hand techniques, if you're right-handed, including strumming and also finger picking or arpeggiating. So by getting you a good foundation, you'll be able to start to vary your playing to suit the song and the clinical need so that everything that you play doesn't sound the same for yourself or your clients. You will see that we have 5 learner outcomes for you from this tutorial. First, that you will increase your knowledge about the ukulele. Second, you will better understand how you can use the ukulele in your work. Third, that you will develop more confidence in using the ukulele in your clinical work. 4, that you will be able to better assist clients in their playing of the ukulele. And finally, that you will develop your left hand chording and right hand strumming techniques for the ukulele. So again, here we go.